No, I'm not comparing. My statement is arranged marriage is more stable than love marriage. It is a statement.
Okay, sir. Okay, taken. You can
Agree,
make
disagree,
such
and
5 to 6 statements and tell the audience to strongly agree, disagree, to strongly
disagree.
agree.
5-point scale, ma'am.
Perfect. Frame another one.
So, ma'am, mine is very simple.
Boliye, ma'am.
Hello, excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, please,
Okay.
ma'am. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I have just taken the comparison only. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
X resort and the Y resort. So I have just put down all the facilities like furnished room with TV and intercom facility and service and swimming pool, cafeteria,
Okay.
and restaurant, play area,
And tell the
sports
respondents
facilities.
to rate as compared to
Yes,
X.
1, 2,
Fine,
3,
great.
4, 5, like. So
Fine.
neutral point is there.
Yeah. You can write these factors and use only one single result and tell them to give the
Okay.
importance, which of the factor is given the most important one. So you can put down the attributes and say one being the least important to most important, continuous
Most
rating
important.
scale.
Okay. Okay. Okay, ma'am. I'll try.
So that is also a
Bueno,
pretty
haría falta.
logical one. No problem. You have used comparative. You can use
Yes.
continuous. So
Continuous.
factors, attributes can be kept. Perfect. ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Any other example, any other scales that you have written?
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please tell me.
Ma'am, I'm from like education. I'm a PhD scholar and doing in education. Like my objective is like to teach mathematics through gamification.
Wow. Okay.
So even under that, we can give questions to the children and ask them to rate.
Yes, ma'am. We
So
can.
will that comes under like a skill, right?
Yes, you will have to write statements, but always remember.
Yes,
If
yes,
you
ma'am.
want-
Yes, for that.
If you
For
want
that,
to use
we have to
Likert
ask the
scale, you will
children.
have to use statements.
Ah,
If you are using continuous rating scale, you can give attributes.
okay.
Clear, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Anybody else? Navya, can you please unmute yourself and tell me? Because I'm confused because you have written that we can use rank order as well as constant sum. So which one do you wish to use and how?
Yes.
That's what I want to understand. Yes, Navya, please tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I think for this particular example, as I was going to, the constant sum is something wherein, like, if I want my students to ask into what all they are using their pocket money, so I can give them a point of 100 out of, suppose you're having 100 rupees. So according to your preference,
In which
maybe
of the
for,
item you would like to spend more?
yeah.
Perfect. Go ahead. Keep on explaining.
Yeah, so if I take constant sum as a scaling technique, if on out of 100, if maybe they might give 30 for traveling, they might give 30 for stationery, 20 for entertainment,
But the sum has
like
to
that.
be, the total
100.
of that has to be 100.
100. Yeah.
Perfect, Navya. You have understood well. Okay. And in rank order, what will you do, Navya?
Again, in rank order also, I would ask them to rank, like out of the pocket money you are getting, first rank would be given to the expense into which they will be spending the most, and then the last rank will be given to the expense into which they are spending the minimum.
Can anybody tell me how we can use, in Navya's question, how we can use continuous rating scale? Rating scale कैसे convert करेंगे इसको? Can somebody tell me? How we can use rating scale in Navya's example? Yes, Sachin sir, Brajesh sir, Sujata ma'am, anybody would like to answer this? In Navya's example of pocket money spending, traveling, stationery, entertainment, snacks, how would you use a continuous rating scale? Navya, can you answer this?
I'm thinking, ma'am. I'm trying. Let me get back with an answer.
Do it, do it, do it.
Ma'am, for like entertainment and the other, like if it is not necessary means like we can give with less preferable things. And
Okay.
with that, if they are going to give to somebody like to her mom or dad, or if they are going to get for them also, like we can go with most preferable, right? I'm not
Stationary
sure.
What
expenses,
you can
ma'am.
do is,
Stationary expenses can be given more preference because used for their academic purpose.
Sujata
Then
ma'am, I'm not asking
yes,
which expense should be given more, importance.
Ma'am, yeah, can we maybe we can create statements and then we
acha,
can put it on scale to rate them.
Okay,
Like,
I'll explain you how. What you will do is, when I'm talking about continuous rating scale, obviously I'm going to put attributes and tell the respondents to be 1, 2, 3, 4, least important to most important. Okay, write the importance given to the following expenses as per your rating. Okay, so say for example, I have written traveling expense, then stationery expense, entertainment, and snacks. Okay, and 1 being the least important and 5 being the most important. This is my continuous rating scale. So probably traveling expense, I'm rating 3. Stationery expense, as Sujata ma'am said, we would be rating 5. Entertainment, we would be rating 2, not that important. Am I very clear? What we did is continuous rating scale. Now, as rightly said by Navya, if we convert this into statements, that okay, traveling is also necessary for a person to do for refreshments, stationary expenses seems to be way more important, entertainments are also refreshments which are much needed. You understand what I'm trying to say? Then on statements, people can strongly disagree, neutral, agree, and strongly agree. So we have converted a Likert scale. But more logically, over here, a continuous rating scale, जब भी attributes होते हैं, तब आपको try करना है कि आप rate करवा रहे हो on a rating scale. जब भी आपको किसी भी चीज के लिए attitude, satisfaction जानना है, for their opinion, if you want to get an idea that whether people are up for the sustainable products or not, then you talk about statements and using Likert scale. Whenever there are factors, use continuous rating scale or a ranking scale. You can also use it like this, that rate your overall satisfaction on the scale of 5, 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest. In fact, I tell my students to definitely put such scale at the end. If they are taking any satisfaction or any other thing to measure, give them the question of overall rating, whether overall how much you are satisfied on the scale of 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have used a constant rate, continuous rating scale, wherein you are telling the respondents to write about whether they are satisfied or they are not satisfied. Am I very clear? Do you want me to take up one more example, or is this clear to everyone? Thank you so much. Anybody else? Any one example, or should we go ahead? Is it safe to sell the antibiotic without checking doctor's recent prescription? Okay, Vedika ma'am, can you please unmute yourself and explain what you wish to say so that everyone can get what you are trying to say in the chat box? Yeah, Vedika ma'am. Is it safe to sell the antibiotic without checking doctor's recent prescription?
Ma'am, actually, I wanted to ask, like, I framed this statement, like, I want to ask that we can, like, give a Likert scale rating like that, like, scale.
No. In Likert scale, you will have to write statement and not the questions, ma'am.
Okay.
So if you want to convert this into a Likert scale, how you should write a statement is, or sell antibiotic without prescription, you will have to convert this into a positive statement. that antibiotics help us to heal our body quickly.
Okay, we need to give a like definite statement, not
No,
like the,
antibiotic can be sold without doctor's prescription.
okay.
So agree?
Agree,
Strongly
disagree कर सकते हैं. Yeah, yeah,
हाँ,
correct.
yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Antibiotic
So, ma'am, I
can be
hope
sold
you are
without-
clear.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Any other example would you like to discuss so that you are clear on your ground?
I'll try to frame, ma'am.
Yeah, you are not supposed to add questions into. You are supposed to convert those questions into positive statements.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please try it, and if you don't understand, you can after the session also, I will leave my phone number and everything over here. You can definitely personally contact me whenever you are making your question. I have no issues, ma'am.
Thank you so
Okay.
much, ma'am. Thank you so
Okay,
much. Yes.
okay. So I suppose anybody else having any query or just want to check whether they have a properly